Hi, it's Jolly Ollie. We just put on the soft top for the summer 2022. Pretty excited about that. And now we're going to install some stickers on the side of the Jeep. So I'll be talking you through that in case you've never done it before. Actually, I'll be learning with you because this is my first time ever doing it. And let's go give it a try. I have a wet towel and a dry towel, and I'll show you what I'm doing with those. Of course, the Jeep has this nice place where you can put things, including the stickers. And what you'll want to start with is just clean the area. Now, some people will be quite they'll be quite worried. They'll ask you to use oil removing liquids and all this kind of stuff. I'm just going to try it with a nice warm water, a rag with warm water, and I'm going to use the cloth to get it nice and dry. I think that's enough for my purposes. I'm not that worried about it, but at the same time, we'll learn together. The other thing you'll notice is that I've parked the Jeep in such a way that this is in the sun, and that should help with the adhesion. Okay, so just so you know, this is my second try because I bought 2 of these flags, and of course on the first try I peeled back the wrong side. So you get to learn from me, aren't you lucky? So this fuzzy side where you can see the vinyl sticker, that's not what you want to pull off to start with. That's what I started with, and I was wrong. So you go to the other side where you can see the well, this isn't 3M paper, but usually a lot of times you'll see 3M paper, and this is the piece you want to pull it back. So I'm going to pull off the backing then, the one that we've identified as the backing, nice and slow, because there still might be a tendency that it wants to stick to the transfer case. Like this one right here, it's having a little bit difficulty. It doesn't want to come off. So just you saw me do it. I just pushed it against the paper a little bit. There, another one is having trouble coming off. That's okay. Take your time. That's why you go nice and slow. There you go. It won't come off. Keep trying it. This one's sticking as well. Holy cow. Well, like I said, at least you get to learn through watching me. Rather than ruining your own sticker, you get to watch me ruin mine. No, saved! Yes! Persistence and determination. You'll get things done. Look at that. Okay? Be patient. We're not experts here. Like I said, you can learn from me. Okay, here we go now. I believe the best way to do this is start in the middle, and then we can push outwards to make sure that there are no bubbles in the stickers or anything. So we're going to start in the middle. Use your finger. Just a nice gentle push. Make sure you're happy with the alignment. They are vinyl stickers, so you should still be able to take it back off. I'm going to start with just in general pushing it over, and then afterwards we'll use the scraper. So start in the middle, even going this way, start in the middle and then go outwards. Same with over here, you're going to start in the middle and then go outwards. Oh, this is looking pretty good. I don't see too many bubbles. There's some, but that's why we've got this. If you got a real squeegee, use that. Otherwise, try to find something with a straight edge. Okay, so we've done our thumb, we've done our squeegee, and at the end, just with a little bit of heat, and yet, well, there's no heat, but just the heat generated by rubbing it. Take your dry towel and just do whatever you can to try to transfer this onto the body. So you pull it back, always keeping the backing close to the vehicle. Okay, and take your time. There's no hurry here. When a piece breaks off like that up here, don't worry about it. Just keep working. Nice, smooth. We'll get that afterwards. Okay. Pull it close to the Jeep. Don't pull it away. Pull it along the body. Look at that. It's coming really nice. We'll worry about the part that ripped afterwards. Not a big deal. Well, this is looking nice. I like that it has the body color underneath. Okay, so that's the first time I've ever put a vinyl sticker on. Okay, I made a mistake with the very first sticker. I peeled off the wrong side, but I told you on the video how to correct that. Make sure you don't make that mistake. I'm going to save you a sticker. Let me be the one that makes the mistake. But afterwards, what was important was putting it up here, getting it aligned, and pressing hard, getting all the bubbles out, and really taking your time, making sure you push everything out of the way, and then don't pull the sticker outwards, but pull it along the side of the body. And look at that, it looks awesome. All right, thanks for joining me today. What is it? Like, subscribe, jolly ollie, and thanks for watching.